In this video, I will show you how to install BiglyBT on your Android TV. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel if you find it helpful. So if you have an Android TV like mine and want to install BiglyBT, download that to your Android TV. Here's what you can do, especially if you have Google Play Store or the application is not on your App Store. So what you can do is use this third-party application called Downloader, which is very easy to use application for all Android TV users. If you have an Android TV, you need this application. If you don't have it, check the description of this video. There is a link there. It's going to help you to get the application. Once you go to the application, just click on launch it, and here's how the interface looks like. It's very easy to use. So what you have to do here is you type in the right keyword. You can type in something specific like install BiglyBT or BiglyBT downloader or BiglyBT APK. The more specific your keyword is, the better your results are going to be. So after typing the keyword, or just after typing the right keyword, just come over to Go and click on Go, and it's going to launch the search bar. So on the search results here, you can choose which option is best for you to get the application. So for instance, you can always scroll through them, and then also these results depend on the search that you use. So depending on the search I use like this one, I'm going to get this option. So if I click on that option, it's going to lead me to a page where I can install the application from the browser section of App Store or Google Play Store. So here's it. I just click on install. Now install the application to my Android TV, and that's how to install BiglyBT torrent downloader to your Android TV. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find